It's smoking right now, and it's getting hot. And, and now you're seeing electricity go through the pickle. It's interesting how only one side at a time is lit because it's a circuit, so it's like a positive end and a negative end. And eventually it gets really hot, so I'm gonna disconnect it before it starts burning, because we don't want a burnt pickle. We'll already smell that in the room. But this just kind of proves to you that electricity can pass through a pickle, and that the glowing effect there is proof of that actually happening. Now, do not change a light bulb at home with a pickle because you need a new light bulb, because that's not practical and you'll probably get injured by a pickle that way, and don't do that. And obviously this pickle now is very hot. It's got burn marks throughout the insides. And that would be embarrassing if somehow I connected to the fork and then got electrocuted. I don't want to do that to myself. So thanks for watching and for not booing me, and I hope you enjoyed that.